It's quite interesting how I get DMs on my Instagram, people saying, hey, Clantis, you know what? I really want to make a good amount of money on YouTube. There is no way that I'm just going to start a YouTube channel. At the end of the day, I'm going to earn $500 a month. I want to make tens of thousands of dollars a month. How do I do that? And in my mind, I was like, okay, obviously you are asking me about the type of niches that you should adopt in order for you to make something like, let's start with about $3,000 a month, because I think $3,000 a month is a good start, especially if you are outside of the so-called first world countries. Let's say you come from a developing world, or you're coming from a country like South Africa. We use rands, and the rand to the dollar is around 19 rand. So meaning that with a dollar, you multiply that by 19. So then I thought, okay, basically what you're asking me is how do I make more than $3,000 and above? But interestingly, the people that have been asking me these questions are people that come from the first world countries. And we know that the first world countries, the standard of living is pretty high. Everything is high. Prices are high, rent is high, food is high, transportation, gas is high. Basically, everything is high. So if you are going to start a YouTube channel and then you want to make decent amount of money, meaning like money that you can live on, you can pay your rent, you can buy gas, and you can buy groceries for the month, then of course, these are the niches that I would like you to adopt, and let's talk about them individually and see where you fit in. However, though, I must also warn you that if you are not an expert in some of these fields, probably it's very important that you speak about yourself and your experiences about these niches, rather than you becoming a financial advisor when you are not qualified to be a financial advisor. It is also very important that you make that disclaimer so that people do not look at you as an expert when you are not an expert. And I don't think that YouTube also takes kind to something like that, where you are misleading people. Be very cautious of those things, because you are dealing with human beings, you are dealing with people's lives, and definitely you are dealing with people's livelihoods as well. So be sensitive to all of those things. Now, let's start with the first niche that I think you should adopt if you want to make some decent amount of money on YouTube, because some of these niches do come with brand deals as well as sponsors. And these brand deals and sponsors do pay pretty good amount of money as well when you take them on. I think the highest amount that I've heard a YouTuber earned from a sponsored video, like an integration, was around $50,000. Some is even more than $50,000. The YouTubers that I've interacted with, they will say that I made $50,000 from this integrated ad for this particular brand or sponsorship. So with these niches, I'm also going to attach the amount of estimated CPM that you may earn if you are going to do this type of videos. Number one, day trading. Day trading pays between $30 to about $50 per 1,000 views. So if you are going to grow your YouTube channel based on day trading YouTubers, they do make decent amount of money. They live pretty much lavish lifestyles. Why? Because they day trade. At the same time, they also have YouTube videos where they teach or educate or give tips about day trading. And I have seen YouTubers getting a number of sponsors. In most cases, these sponsors come in a form of an app that they need to introduce. So these are the apps that people can download and start doing day trading with, or on, or whatever the case might be. I find those quite very interesting. Unfortunately, I'm not a person that has the time to be day trading. I do have a 9 to 5, and I believe that you need to dedicate a lot of your time by doing day trading. So if you are interested in this type of niche and you want to make a decent amount of money, not only Google AdSense, but also from brand deals and sponsors, then definitely day trading will be for you. The second niche, which pays pretty well as well on YouTube, it is Forex trading. Now, one thing that I'm not quite sure about Forex trading and day trading, I think day trading has something to do with stock market, And Forex trading is about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin mining, and all of that stuff. I'm not quite sure. I think so. So if you are knowledgeable about Forex trading, or you are knowledgeable about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all of those stuff, then definitely this is the route I think you should take, especially if it's something that you are passionate about and you can give comprehensive tutorials to people that may click and watch your YouTube videos about Forex trading. The CPM on Forex trading, I saw one YouTuber sharing that their Forex trading CPM, they are around $115 to about $175. I'm not quite sure what influences that to be higher than it's supposed to be. I have no idea, but they will tell you there is money in Forex trading when it comes to YouTube CPMs. The third niche that pays pretty well on YouTube is dropshipping. I've heard so much about dropshipping. Basically, this is e-commerce stores. If you're interested in selling stuff online, whether you want to sell pet goodies, or you want to sell hair, or you want to sell nails, or beauty products, or gadgets that YouTubers may need, then dropshipping definitely may be something that you need to look into. I've heard so many YouTubers that have dropshipping stores, how they are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, sometimes a week, sometimes a month, depending on the product and its popularity on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube and Facebook. It's what basically propels this YouTuber to tell or share how much of millions of dollars they are making a year from drop shipping. So if this is something that you are interested in, probably this is the time you need to learn about it. And after learning about it, maybe you can set up and also start educating other people about e-commerce or drop shipping, because those videos, I have seen them. The views are in the hundreds of thousands. So meaning there are a lot of people in the world that are interested in this type of niche or in this type of business online. Dropshipping CPM is around $80 per 1,000 views. Sometimes it can go even as high as $150 per 1,000 views. I guess it will depend on the topic of the products that you are selling. If you are selling, let's say, technology, maybe that will increase your CPM. Maybe your dropshipping is about selling financial templates or budget templates. By mere fact of saying budget or finance or even Forex or cryptocurrency, that will have a tendency of increasing your CPM. So I don't know, it will all depend on what you are going to be selling online with dropshipping. Now, the fourth niche that pays on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Even though its CPM is around $15 per 1,000 views, I personally think $15 per 1,000 views is a lot of money, because the views on affiliate marketing is outrageous on YouTube. You can even go as far as 1 million views. People that are interested in affiliate marketing, either you are going to give a step-by-step guide on how to be the best affiliate marketing person, or they give you the best websites that you can pursue in your affiliate marketing career, and things of that nature. So people that pursue affiliate marketing, they also have videos where they share the hundreds of thousands of dollars that they make as affiliate marketing agencies or affiliate marketing partners, or whatever the terminologies that they use. With my own affiliate marketing, I'm not making much so far. Maybe a month I'll make $50. Maybe I'll make $150 at most. And understandably so, is because my audience is still pretty much very, very small. And secondly, maybe the product that I'm also promoting in my affiliate links may not be of interest to many people, which is kind of cool for me. I know as I grow and more people take an interest in those affiliate links, I may start making far more than what I'm making. The fifth niche that you can pursue to make a decent amount of money on Google AdSense is website development or website design. Lots of people are becoming entrepreneurs, and lots of YouTubers now, they also want to have a website because they want to drive traffic to other places or other online businesses that they may be embarking upon. And also, as YouTubers, they also wanted to turn their YouTube videos into blogs, and they're always looking for a website developer or website designer. And the CPM for being a web designer or web developer is around $75. This also has a tendency of growing pretty high to about $300 per 1,000 views. I have seen a YouTuber who shared that their CPM, when they talk about website or website design or software, they earned somewhere around $350 per 1,000 views, meaning that if they get 10,000 views alone, that's a decent amount of living, pretty much full-time living for that matter on YouTube. So I think that is something that you can pursue if you are a person that is a website developer or a website designer, or you do this coding stuff, whether you are coding for an app or mobile app or whatever the case might be. Those have a tendency also of having high CPMs. The sixth one, which is a bonus, but very important and pretty much high of a CPM on YouTube, is finance. If it's not finance, real estate. If it's not real estate, it's insurance and health as well. Those niches have a tendency of having a CPM that can go as high as $100 per 1,000 views. Even though the finance niche is known to be the highest niche on YouTube, I think the reason why they say it's the highest, forgetting about Forex, cryptocurrency, and all the other ones that I've mentioned above, is because not too many people do this sort of niches on YouTube. So therefore, the closest one to many YouTubers is finance. If it's not finance, real estate. If it's not real estate, is insurance or health. And they happen to be very high paying niches on YouTube. The CPM can go even as far as $500 per 1,000 views, all depending on the topic under the finance umbrella that you are going to be talking about. Personal finance, I think it goes up to $15 per 1,000 views. If you're going to talk about some deep financial stuff, then definitely you are going to make a decent amount of money on YouTube. So basically, if you want to make full-time living on YouTube and you want to live a pretty much of a lavish lifestyle, I believe these are the niches that you can adopt and run with them. How people engage with your YouTube videos, very important. There are 5 metrics that the YouTube algorithm work with, but there are 2 that are majorly important. I've mentioned this in my previous videos, that is click-through rate as well as average view duration. Now, amongst the 5, one of them is engagement. The YouTube algorithm will look at how many people are engaging with your YouTube video. Are they liking the video? Are they commenting on the video? Are they subscribing while they're watching the video? And are they sharing the videos? That is why you would hear YouTubers say, please make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Why? Because this is what you call engagement. So your engagement plays a major role as well in how you will get paid, because watch time is YouTube's #1 goal, keeping people longer on the platform. And while they are on the platform, they engage with our videos. Okay, bye.